I hadn't smelled this one. I smelled the other ones. Let me smell this one. Oh, yes. Oh, that smells so good. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Bobby, and today, you guys, as you see from the title, I am doing another product review from Journee Naturelle. If you haven't already seen my previous video that I did of Journee Naturelle products, I will put it up in the cards, and I will also put it down in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check that video out, but after you watch this one. So you guys, I have my box right here of what Journee Naturelle sent me. Journee Naturelle is a small business located in Atlanta, Georgia. And you guys, everything is homemade and it smells so good. I pretty much like everything that they make, to be honest. But they sent me a lot of things to show you guys, and I also have something for you all at the end, so be sure to watch to the end to get what I got for you. So you guys, this is all of the things that I received from Journee Naturelle. As you see, there's more stuff on the bottom that are in bubble wrapping. I think these are candles, but I'm about to open it so I can show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna start out by pulling out the body wash. This is actually Journee Naturelle's fall collection. This is one of them, which is called ALLL. ALLL, intriguing and sensual notes of amber, sandalwood, and musk wrapped up this bottle of grown and sexy. So this is ALLL, and this body wash is Midnight Plum. Midnight Plum is warm vanilla, musk, black cherry, and plum. What I really like about Journee Naturelle when they send their products packaged, they have tape on the top, so that way it will not spill. Everything is packaged very well with Journee Naturelle. Believe me, when you get your package, it will be sealed and delivered perfectly. There will be no spills. You don't have to worry about that with Journee Naturelle. ALLL. Ooh. You guys, it smells so good. You can smell the sandalwood, the musk. Yes, that smells good. Okay, that's one body wash. And like I said, the Midnight Plum. Let's smell this one. Oh, yes. You can smell the black cherry. You can smell the vanilla, warm vanilla. Yeah, that smells good. Midnight Plum. And look at the packaging. Oh, my goodness. The packaging is really pretty for the fall. Look at the colors of it, that warm burgundy, you know. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, this is probably a, this is probably a candle. Yes, it is. And Journee Naturelle will give you a card as well that comes with the candle to let you know, give you instructions on how to handle your candle. Put it to the side. This is pumpkin butter. Pumpkin butter. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. Comment down below if you love candles. Comment down below right now. Let me know if you love candles. You guys will love this pumpkin butter. Oh, I'm gonna have to burn this tonight. Oh, that smells good. Pumpkin butter. Hold on, she got more. Let me see what else. Guys, this is like opening Christmas presents. It's so exciting. So this is the Midnight Plum candle. So you have the body wash, and you got your candle. Let's see how it smells. Oh, and this is two wick candle. It's my favorite so far. But this does smell good. Midnight Plum do smell good, but this is my favorite so far. Pumpkin butter. I love it. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so I'm opening up the next one. Can you guys see the products up here? I try to line it up pretty for y'all. Okay. Put it over there. This is the ALLL candle. This one is in a glass jar, as you see. And I'm going to open it. Ooh, it smells good. That's how it looks. And this is ALLL. And we have the ALLL body wash. Put those together. Let's put our midnight together. And then we still have this one. My fave so far. Alright. Now, this is some whipped body butter ALLL. And this size is the 6 ounce. Now, if you've seen my last video that I reviewed Journee Naturelle products, you all know that I love their body butters. I love the body butters because it lasts all day long. When I put it on my skin, it lasts, it keeps it moisturized and lasts all day long. So I really love their body butter. Actually, this is the whipped body butter. And this is the ALLL. So you can take you a shower with your ALLL, light your candle, put your body butter on, and you're just good to go. And this is how it looks. And this is the big one. And like I said, you can see the tape that is on there. They do have your package sealed for you when it comes to your house, to your door. Your package will be sealed and ready for you. So you guys, I'm going to open the next one. And this is the Autumn Apple candle. And all of these candles are hand poured. Smells so fall-y. Smells just like fall, like, you know, apples and the cinnamon. Oh, it smells good. Autumn apple. Okay. So let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have some turmeric sugar scrub. And you see how it looks. You might can see it a little down there. But it comes with a little spoon. This is a vegan sugar scrub. It is vegan, has shea butter, organic blue agave. Oh yes. This is their sugar scrub, turmeric sugar scrub, you guys. Okay, what else we got in here? Okay. Made with love. I think this is some soap. It is. Okay, let's see what it is. So you guys, this is Shirley Pies. This is called Shirley Pies. Look at the packaging. And look at the flower that's on the top. Oh my goodness. Let's give it a smell. Oh, wow. It's sweet potato and coconut cream soap. You guys, it smells so good. It's called Shirley Pies. Okay, that's the bar of soap. Next, we're going to look at their, this is an exfoliating enzyme mask. This is pumpkin, carrot, and oat. This one is actually really sealed up. Let's see if we can see how it looks in the inside. Journee Naturelle, they'll be playing when they wrap these packages. Okay, so I'm going to twist it open. And that's how it looks in the inside. This is the exfoliating mask. And the scent is pumpkin, carrot, and oat. Alright, so they did send a couple of these. These are just the small 2-ounce whipped body butter. This is the Midnight Plum, just like the big one. This is the small one. This is the small Amber LX, just like the candle in the body wash. This is the Autumn Apple body butter, just like the candle. And this is called Praline Caramel Butter Whipped Body Butter. You guys, I hadn't smelled this one. I smelled the other ones. Let me smell this one. Oh, Yes. Oh, that smells so good. I think I'm saying it right. Praline caramel butter. This smells really good. I'm gonna put that with my pumpkin butter candle. Okay, this one is called tobacco vanilla. Let's give this a smell. That smells pretty good. That's how it looks. I think that this size is really good for like party favors. You could put them in gift bags. You can put them, right now Christmas is coming soon, so they're really good for stocking stuffers. These are really good to have and to give as a gift. And yeah, those were it of the little ones. Like I said, these are 2 ounces. And this whole thing is the fall collection. Like I said, I hope you guys can see my little display. This is the fall collection, and I think that was it. Oh my goodness. So you guys, that is it for this review. This is, like I said, Journee Naturelle fall collection. You guys go over to their website, be sure to check it out. I will put all of their information down in the description box. Go on their site, you can find this fall collection and many other things that they do have on their website. And like I said, this whipped body butter, you guys, please check it out. Please order it. These are really, really, really great gifts for Christmas. Like I said, the holidays are coming. Some people do not know what to get people for the holidays. This is a great gift. Journee Naturelle have great products. They're all homemade. These products is also good for anyone who's having dry skin, who may have problems with eczema. The body butters are really good for that. It helps moisturize the skin. Exfoliating sugar scrubs are really good for that. And like I said, this is the turmeric, you guys. And turmeric is really good for your skin, really good for your body. So you guys, as I said in the beginning of the video, I did have something for you all. So if you would go on journeenaturelle.com and put in the code JNaturelle, which I'll put right here on the screen. If you put in that code, you will get 10% off of your order. Who doesn't want a discount? 10% off of your order, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe. Turn on the notification bell because I will be doing more product reviews for you guys and giving you guys discounts as well. So you guys, I will see you all in the next video.